If you are a passenger involved in an automobile accident, you have the right to bring a claim against any and all vehicles involved in that accident. In other words, even if you are a passenger in a particular vehicle, if that vehicle is partially responsible for the accident, you can make a claim against that vehicle. In addition, if you were a passenger in an automobile accident and the accident involved multiple vehicles, you can bring a claim against each and every vehicle involved in that accident, so long as there is some fault on the part of each vehicle. What's really important to understand is that if you were a passenger in an accident and that you were seriously injured, you still need to make sure that you are aware of your surroundings, make sure that you're getting the medical attention that you need, but also make sure that there is some sort of authority there, whether it's police, fire department, or EMTs, that's making a record with regard to how that accident happened and who the people are that are involved in that accident. The more data and more information that you have with regard to the vehicles involved in the accident, how the accident occurred, and why the accident occurred, the better that we will be able to investigate the accident and begin to aggressively work on your case with the defendants and their insurance companies. New York law provides special protection for passengers involved in automobile accidents. One of the reasons why is because often in many situations, when a passenger is in an accident, the vehicle that they are in is responsible for the accident. And that passenger might feel somewhat difficult about pursuing a claim against the driver because of a relationship that they have with the driver. Because of that, New York requires every single vehicle in New York to have insurance. The passengers that are making those claims against the driver of the vehicle they're in ultimately will be compensated not from the driver of the vehicle, but from the insurance company of the driver of the vehicle. In fact, the driver of the vehicle purchases insurance to protect themselves and their passengers, not only from the negligence of other vehicles that may have caused an accident, but from their own negligence themselves. The legal process may be difficult for drivers and passengers of the same vehicle, but we are understanding of that, and we believe that the service that we provide our clients is important and helps us do the best for every client in every situation, regardless of the dynamics and relationships between passengers and drivers.